Welcome to FX Street. Today we are going to be talking about Polkadot bulls entering an area with 20% of potential gains. But before we dive deep into the technicals, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto to be updated on the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency market. As most of you have probably experienced, it has been quite a volatile start of the week, and that is no different for cryptocurrencies. Any more detail, Polkadot, where on Monday we breached below the $16.95 handle or the $17 level, which goes all the way back to the 24th of May. And as you can see in the past, a very good downside, upside, technical support or resistance. And now on Monday we broke below it, but luckily we didn't break below the low of January 24th, and we didn't make a new low for the whole of 2022. So luckily, price action yesterday bounced off of that, and in the meantime has popped back up above the 17 handle, and we are now currently trading at $17.27. Quite important, as this has opened once again a can of very nice profits. If we take a look from here to, let's say, this level here, we have a roughly 20% of gains that bulls are facing that can be booked, as long as they can sit on their hands, of course, and refrain from taking any profit. That's the first necessity. Next to that as well, we have the RSI bouncing off the oversold level, which coincides a little bit with the price action on Monday going into Tuesday. And now it has plenty of room to go to, even if it only would go up to the more moderate 50 level, like we've seen here, for example, in the beginning of February. Even then, still, that would be enough to see price action tick $20.55, give or take. Depending on, of course, the further de-escalation, or should there be any resolvements in the situation in the Ukraine and in the Donbass region, expect them probably a pop once again above, but then it gets a little bit tricky. As you can see here, the 55-day hasn't had any specific tests since December and has been dictating a little bit the downtrend. So that's together with the intersection of the monthly pivot that comes in at $22.20. That might be a tough nut to crack then before we can start looking further towards probably the reboot of the longer term uptrend and then back towards new all-time highs. But that will depend, of course, on the news flow and headlines coming in later this week. Should there be any negative headlines, of course, expect then punch back, bulls being pushed against the wall here at $15.65 or 75 cents. And once that breaks, expect quite a few stops to be ran from the bulls. So stop losses will be hit. And then those bulls will need to go to the sell side in order to close out their losses and close out their losing positions. And that would only see a further acceleration, probably to either $11.86 or $10.35. I think personally, $10.35 is the best support level that first comes in with this bounce on the 19th of July in 2021. That's it for now for Polkadot. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street.